Good morning. So today we are going to have a chill day in Florida. We're at the pool right now and we're gonna tan. It's really hot. It's 90 degrees right now. It's so sunny. I can't even see anything. But I'm about to put sunscreen on and then go in the pool. And yeah. Now we are gonna go freshen up, change out of our bathing suits, and go to the grocery store. Look at my hair, it's a mess. But we're gonna go to the grocery store, pick up a couple snacks and dinner options, and then kind of relax the rest of the day. We might come back to the pool later, who knows. It's a while later. We are going to take some pictures. We had dinner a little bit ago, just some pasta and garlic bread. I am no joke sweating.
Knows how to take that straight.
Oh! Yeah! That was lucky.
Hey, that's your shot, man.
We're good.
Wow. I would have never thought it.
Yeah, try me. We're at the pool now.
Yes, we are.
Look at how pretty it is here.
Alexa, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck?
A woodchuck would chuck about 700 pounds of wood on a good day.
Hi, so today we are going to be spending a day at the beach. I'm really excited. The weather is so perfect outside. We're all ready to go. I got my bathing suit under this and we're just gonna soak up the sun today.
Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me. Come surfing, take the flight. Time's gonna take you surfing safari. Come surfing, take the flight. Time's gonna
Do the walk.
take you surfing safari. Come surfing, take the flight. Time's gonna take you surfing safari. Come surfing, take the flight. Time's gonna take you surfing safari.
It's supposed to be 104 degrees today. So we're done laying out for right now, but we're on the sun deck. It's such a pretty view, super high up. It's a beautiful day. Dude, that was so cool. Okay, let me explain what went down. So basically we spent the day at the beach, and then after we had some appetizers on the sunroof. That was super fun. The view was super pretty. But then after that, my dad was hungry for some seafood, so we went to some restaurant by the water, and there was a little marina there. And while my dad was eating, we started making small talk with one of the workers, and he said that we could go on this tour boat that was about to go for free. It was like a dolphin tour boat, and we didn't have to pay. He just let us go on, and it was so awesome. The tour was amazing, and now we are here eating some pizza at the pool. Guess what's about to go down?
Ooh, that did hurt.
Whoa.
We should be standing back about 3 foot.
Yeah, they just looked at each other and went,
Took him 16 points to get to that.
"You kidding me?" I'm gonna be the person to do.
Don't mess with grandpa.
Them are not good.
Look at my mascara. It is a while later now. I'm all freshly showered, and it feels good because after a long day at the beach and at the pool, you get kind of gross. So I'm all clean now, but look at the sun that I got today. I'm super red. I put on loads of sunscreen, but the UV rays here are just super potent. Anyways, I am going to go to bed now because tomorrow I am waking up early to do something super fun. So if you want to know what I'm doing tomorrow, just stay tuned for another video because I'm going to film it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.